Utilizing digital book features on the Xanadu app. Once you log into the Xanadu app as a student using your Clever credentials, you will see My Shelf, which includes all the books your teachers have allowed you to access. When you want to view a book, simply click on the cover or name. This opens a new browser window or tab for that book. Navigating in your book. In the upper left-hand corner, you can open the book's table of contents. You will now see a list of the book's contents. To go directly to a specific section, select it from the content menu and you will automatically jump to the start of that section. You can also jump to a specific page by entering the page number in the box next to the content menu. To scroll through the book one page at a time, click on the forward and back arrows. The progress bar at the top of the window indicates where you are in the book overall. You can drag the circle on the progress bar to move to a different page or section. To hear the text read aloud, press the audio button to the right of the progress bar. This will launch a small read aloud menu where you can play the content, skip forward, or rewind.
The Cremation of Sam McGee by Robert W. Service.
As the page is read aloud, the word being read will appear highlighted in purple. Interacting with your book. Xanadu's digital books have some unique and engaging features. For example, you can highlight text by holding down your mouse or pressing down on your trackpad and dragging the cursor over the selected text. You can also choose different highlighter colors, or you can underline the text. You can add notes to the text by clicking on the yellow sticky note icon second from the right on that same highlighting menu. This will launch the annotations window where you can type your note. After you type your note and click the Save button, a small sticky note icon will appear in the left margin of the page indicating that you made a note for that highlight. Clicking on that sticky note icon will launch the annotations panel where you can read and edit your note. To the right of the audio button are 3 dots. Clicking on the dots allows you to read your annotations and see your highlights, search the text, zoom in, or switch to a 2-page or a single-page view. Your comments and highlights save automatically even after you close the browser tab and window. The next time you open the book, it will launch to the last page you viewed where you will be able to see all of your notes.